Nutrition and diet play a fundamental role in our lives, impacting our health, well-being, and even longevity. The choices we make regarding the foods we consume have far-reaching effects on our bodies and overall quality of life. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into the importance of nutrition and diet, what constitutes a healthy diet, and practical tips for making informed choices about the foods we eat. The importance of nutrition. Nutrition refers to the process by which our bodies obtain and utilize the essential nutrients needed for growth, energy production, and the maintenance of bodily functions. These nutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Proper nutrition is vital for several reasons. 1. Energy production. Carbohydrates are the body's primary source of energy. They provide fuel for daily activities, exercise, and even mental functions. 2. Growth and repair. Proteins are the building blocks of our bodies, essential for tissue repair, muscle growth, and the production of enzymes and hormones. 3. Immune system support. A well-balanced diet with essential vitamins and minerals strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight off illnesses and infections. 4. Healthy body weight. A proper diet helps maintain a healthy body weight, reducing the risk of obesity and related health issues. 5. Preventing chronic diseases. Good nutrition can prevent or manage chronic conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. 6. Mental health. Nutrition plays a role in mental health, with some nutrients influencing mood and cognitive function. What constitutes a healthy diet? A healthy diet is one that provides all the necessary nutrients in the right proportions to support overall health. Key elements of a balanced diet include 1. Variety. Consume a wide range of foods from all food groups to ensure intake of diverse nutrients. 2. Fruits and vegetables. Aim to fill half your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. 3. Proteins. Include lean sources of protein such as poultry, fish, beans, tofu, and nuts. Limit red meat consumption. 4. Whole grains. Choose whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat, quinoa, and oats for fiber and sustained energy. 5. Healthy fats. Opt for unsaturated fats found in avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish like salmon. Limit saturated and trans fats. 6. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to maintain proper bodily functions. 7. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating and support healthy body weight. Practical tips for a balanced diet. Maintaining a balanced diet can be achieved by incorporating these practical tips into your daily routine. 1. Meal planning. Plan your meals in advance to ensure a variety of nutrient-rich foods are included. 2. Read food labels. Pay attention to nutrition labels to understand what's in the foods you buy. 3. Limit processed foods. Minimize the consumption of highly processed foods that are often high in sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. 4. Mindful eating. Practice mindful eating by savoring each bite and paying attention to hunger and fullness cues. 5. Cook at home. Cooking at home allows you to control ingredients and make healthier choices. 6. Seek professional guidance. Consult a registered dietitian or nutritionist for personalized dietary recommendations, especially if you have specific health concerns or dietary restrictions. 7. Moderation. Enjoy treats and indulgent foods in moderation rather than eliminating them entirely. In conclusion, nutrition and diet are central to our well-being, impacting our physical health, mental health, and overall quality of life. By understanding the importance of nutrition, adopting a balanced diet, and implementing practical tips for healthy eating, we can make informed choices that promote long-term health and vitality. Remember that good nutrition is a lifelong commitment, and small changes in dietary habits can lead to significant improvements in health and well-being.